basically.
So I guess you would pick a certain instrument for a certain song. You would pick a certain vocalist.
Well, no, I like to have singers that are very versatile, you know, and the singers once again have a lot of. To me, I'm extremely picky with it, you know, very, very particular, you know, and the pitch is extremely important. The timbre is very important, but the most important thing is the vibrato. If the singer don't have a good vibrato, then it's the case is the course is gone, is lost course, you know. And I often find it very difficult to understand that people don't pick up on that when they listen to albums. And, you know, I hear singers that sound like a goat. I don't like that. You know, it has to be a controlled vibrato, you know, like an opera singer. It shouldn't be an involuntary function, you know, like a goat, you know, would sound. And I won't mention names. None of them are my singers, but I'm talking about, you know.
Yeah.